everybody, it's Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library, and we're here again for another craft, a fun one. So I want everybody to get prepared. There's no painting involved, but we are going to be using scissors and we're going to be using hot glue. Hot glue only with adult supervision, big person supervision, okay? I don't want anybody getting burned, so please have somebody big helping you out, okay? So we're going to plug that in. Make sure it's going to be nice and warm for us, and while that's getting warm, we can be prepared. In your kit, you are going to find the directions for a Pinecone turkey craft. This is the cutest thing ever, and it's going to look amazing on the table, just for a fall decoration. If you're celebrating some Thanksgiving, then I think it could be beautiful on your Thanksgiving table. Otherwise, just set it out and enjoy it. It's so cute. Okay, so directions are in here, and this is our template, okay? This is all the stuff that we're going to be cutting. So fun. All right, you can cut these pieces out, and then we can start tracing and cutting. So when we have them all cut out, we're gonna start tracing and cutting. That's what we're gonna do. I have them all traced or cut out, because you know I like to be prepared, right? So I'm just trying to get them out of this little basket here. All right, so you're also gonna have googly eyes. Googly eyes are always fun, aren't they? All right, so we have the, this is the base and the feet, okay? I cut that out of orange. You're allowed to use whatever colors you want. I chose orange because that's just the color I chose, okay? You can use whatever color. So I've got that cut out, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna glue our pine cone onto the base and the feet. But before you do any gluing, I'd like you to cut out all the pieces, all right? So you're gonna have a head piece. You need to decide, what color do I want my turkey head? You're gonna have 3 different size feathers. And you wanna cut about 8 pieces of each feather, okay? There's lots of paper. There will be lots of little scrap papers in your kit. You decide what colors you want to use and cut out those feathers. 3 different sizes, small, medium, large. Then you're going to have a little beak and a little wattle. You decide again, what colors do you want to use? Traditionally, they're usually like an orange and a red. If you want to use different colors, that is on you. You are allowed to do whatever you want because it's your project, exactly, and that's how we do things when we're doing crafts with Miss Penny, right? You get to do whatever you want. All right, so I'm gonna show you kind of how we're gonna get started here. We're gonna start with the base, the feet, all right? The base, oh, you know what? You're also gonna have a pine cone in your kit. You don't have to go searching for one, okay? You're gonna have a pine cone. You're gonna take your pine cone and you're gonna take your feet. Your feet are gonna be laying on the table, okay? And you're gonna wanna put your pine cone on the feet like this. See, it's kind of laying off, and the small part is facing where the feet are, all right? So we're gonna put a lot of hot glue here, and then we're gonna let it sit so that it sticks. That's how your turkey's gonna start. So we're gonna take our hot glue with supervision, put a really lot on the base because we really want to hold this pine cone onto there. We're going to take our pine cone and sit it on there just like I showed you. All right, give that just a couple of minutes. Push it down a little bit as much as you can. Make sure that it's kind of on the glue. If you feel like you need to add a little bit of glue for whatever reason, go ahead. I'm going to add some up front here. I just want to make sure that Mr. Pine Cone here holds tight on the feet because that's how your turkey's gonna sit. It's so neat. All right, when that's finished, well, we're gonna let that dry a little bit. While that's drying, go ahead and take your head, however you decided to do your head, or whatever color you decided to make your head, and glue on the eyes, the beak, and the wattle. If you'll notice, the beak, let me show you the cutout. The beak is gonna look like this. So you should have cut it out. It kind of looks like a diamond. After it's cut out, you're going to fold that diamond in whatever color you chose, so that it kind of looks like this now. Can you kind of see that in there? It'll look like a little beak that can open and close. Okay? That way you have like a 3D beak to put onto your turkey head. So put all that stuff on there. You're gonna put the wattle, and then the beak, and then the 2 little tiny eyes. Very carefully with your hot glue gun with your big person. Because I already have one finished, but I just want to show you how to do the feathers because those are the tricky parts, okay? The feet I thought were a little tricky, and the feathers are a little tricky. The head, I think you could figure that out. What you just want to do before you put the head on is just kind of break this little tip off, just to kind of make it so that you've got a flatter surface to glue that onto. So we're just going to kind of take it and keep twisting it and twisting it. You may even need to like cut it at some point because some of them twist nice off like that one kind of did. Some of them might not. But just kind of give it a little bit of a more flat surface to glue that head onto there. That's all that's for, okay? I just took the little tip off, no big deal. So now I'm gonna just show you how to get the feathers going. There's something sticky there, okay. We are gonna start with the biggest feathers. Remember, there was small, medium, and large, okay? So I have the biggest feathers. I've got a couple of them. I didn't cut 8 because I already made a turkey, but I just wanna show you. So when you have your pine cone, you are going to put, it's sap, that's what's sticky. These are real pine cones, people. All right, so when you start putting your feathers, start in the back. So the feet are up here, this is the front because your head's up here, right? Start in the back with the big feathers, put your glue, really get it inside there. Stick some glue in there and then put your feather in. So we're going to put our glue all the way in there. And then whatever feather you choose, and again, feathers are whatever colors you choose too. You just kind of stick it in there. And you're just gonna start putting all the feathers onto your turkey. You may need to add a little bit of glue at some point in some pieces to kind of help hold it a little bit more still. Some of them really like to move around, okay? So at the back of your turkey, any of these places towards the back, and you can start moving forward as well, put all of your large feathers. When those are finished, move on to your medium feathers. So now I have some medium feathers, and I'm going to put these towards the middle because I didn't make 8 for the practice one here. So I'm going to start putting those up here. So now you put your medium feathers. So it goes large. See, this one we're starting with large, medium, small. And again, stick that glue gun way in there. Get that glue in there, and then put your feather into the glue. Sometimes you have to hold it a little bit until the glue starts drying. But no big deal. Once you start getting all your feathers in there, he looks really neat. I'm going to show you. I'm going to do my 2 little feathers, and then I'll go get my my finished product so I can show you. That one totally missed. The glue went straight down to the bottom on that one. And then I will show you, once you have all the feathers in there and it's dry, that's it. Your project is finished. And it's ready for you to hang, or you probably don't want to hang this up. It's ready for you to just set it out on the table to display. So all the feathers, you're going to keep going until all the feathers are in there, okay? And then it's done. When it's done, let me show you a finished one, okay? Let's not get ahead of ourselves, right? And there we go, look. How adorable is this? Again, you can use whatever color you want for the head, whatever color you want for the beak, for the wattle, for the feet, for the feathers, all of it. But look how adorable. I absolutely love this craft, okay? And then you can put this, just set it out to display it. How cute. All right, please send me pictures, bring it in, show me whatever you want to do. I would love to see the finished products of your turkeys, because I think they'll all look so different, and that's what makes this so special. When this is all finished, when you've gotten all your feathers in there, his head's on, his beak's together, he's ready for you to display it, clean up. Yes, always clean up, guys. There's going to be scraps to recycle, to throw away, directions, there's going to be little pieces of pine cone to sweep up and throw away. Put your scissors away, unplug the hot glue gun, don't put it away till it's cooled off, but get that put away, put everything away. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, have fun. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.